Let's play Laceys games. BC, I forgot everything. 3.
Hello?
Hello, Pookie.
Hey, you made it through. Welcome to the Lacy game site.
Ty,
Also, I haven't left you.
what shall I play? Let's start with Lacy's wardrobe.
You were the one who wanted it, and therefore you can sue me for anything you might see or experience there. Okay?
Well, that's worrying sad face. Speeding this up, BC, I had to read. Who WTF was that? Speeding up. What is this here? She looks so pretty. The fuck? Who is this creepy-ass dude, Lacy? NH. You are not going outside. You have the sad face. You're a
Lacy, did you see my stacks, Lacy? I can wait to meet up, Lacy. I want to. Have a good time tonight with you, Lacy. Tonight. Bye-bye.
I'm not going on that date, Lacy. Lacy, why? Going away, why? Yeah, I had a stroke. I hate this breathing sad face. Done. D. What's happening? No shit. Nitrogen monoxide. Do I have to open? Pulls no sad face. Fine. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Go the fuck away.
Lacy, I'm here. I'm here. Did you get my gift, Lacy? Did you like it? I'm here. Open the door, my darling. Open the door. Open the door!
SOS, Lacy, SOS. I don't want to. IKNOW. I'm Sorry. Sorry, Lacy. I don't know, sad face. What is going to happen? Fuck nitrogen monoxide. Please go away.
I mean, isn't it? Some kids must still see the guy's face in their dreams.
No shit. Ty for watching? I'll do more if I get 20 likes, D. Bye, Pookies.